The DHF 8000 is an 800mm twin pallet 5-axis horizontal machining center equipped with a knotting type spindle head to support all machining processes from roughing to finishing in a single setup. Designed for heavy-duty cutting, the DHF 8000 is equipped with a rotary table and knotting head to deliver high-productivity multi-face and simultaneous 5-axis cutting. The machine is specifically designed for the processing of complex parts used in the aerospace industry and features an enhanced chip disposal system and an extended working area. The DHF 8000 provides the ideal solution for both general and difficult-to-cut materials and for complex workpieces. Doosan's core technologies, including thermal stability technology, smart monitoring technology, and easy operation technology, are applied. The knotting head spindle rotates through 160 degrees up and down and has a maximum speed of 6,000 RPM with 960 Newton meters of torque, ensuring the highest productivity. The Y and Z axes are fitted with dual ball screws to ensure greater structural stability and accuracy, while the column is designed with high static and dynamic rigidity to provide the optimum machining performance. Standard features include glass scales for each axis and a cooling system for the spindle and ball screws, ensuring greater machining accuracy. The large working area enables the machining of parts such as aero engine casings up to 1,400 millimeters diameter. By optimizing the design of the machine structure, the DHF 8000 can support heavy workpieces weighing up to 2 tons. Machining of multi-face workpieces and 5-axis simultaneous machining of complex shapes is achieved by applying the knotting head spindle in combination with the rotary table. The DHF 8000 utilizes a center through type chip disposal solution, making it perfectly suited for cutting parts that generate a large amount of chips. Furthermore, features such as improved waste oil disposal around the bed structure, improved performance ATC system, and minimum footprint are the results of our efforts to satisfy all our customers' needs. Boasting heavy-duty, high-speed, precision cutting performance, the DHF 8000 can provide the solution for a wide variety of applications, from general parts to difficult-to-cut materials and aircraft parts. We pledge to pursue shared growth with our customers.